No, it's too late. All right, I'll put you. Why are you covering your face?
I don't want to make.
My wife don't want to be in the video.
No.
Say hi. That's the Midnight Manicurist. We are on our way to Miami to do a photo shoot to help this company with their product line for the Can-Am Ryker, Can-Am Spider, and the Polaris Slingshot. So follow us on the journey. We just hit the airport. We're leaving NYC and heading out to Miami. I have arrived for Lauderdale and heading up to get my bags and then figure out where am I going after this. I still don't have an itinerary yet, but okay, let me tell you this. I brought Mrs. Shadow Black Ryker with me on this trip, but I didn't tell her that she's gonna actually be in the photo shoot and doing a little filming. So if after this you don't hear from me again, that's because she probably killed me. All right, so I just wanted to give you a quick update. So just landed in Florida. Talk to you soon.
What picture do you have today?
You want the name of the GoPro? Which one I have?
Mm-hmm.
So this is the 8.
Mm-hmm. Oh,
GoPro 8. Now they have 11. So if you want to get the 11.
Yeah, GoPro. Best Buy?
GoPro, yeah, Best Buy, or you can order it online.
What about this? I can have everything?
This Amazon.
Oh.
Amazon. It's
what's the name?
Right there. Filming, see?
Oh, this.
While you're filming.
Oh.
So this goes into here and to the back of my GoPro.
This is interesting.
So this way your battery doesn't die.
That's ULAN.
Ulanzi. They're popular. When you type them into Amazon,
Liquid dot. It's not clear.
Ulanzi.
Let me take a look picture. This picture.
They're very popular on Amazon.
Yeah.
All of this stuff this is GoPro.
They zoom on it. Zoom.
Yeah.
They zoom.
Yeah.
Then
When you download it on your phone,
Uh-huh.
I'll show you what it'll look like on your phone. Hold on. You could zoom it. See?
But you can zoom it from here?
No. This just records straight video,
Uh-huh.
and then you have to do everything from the phone.
Oh.
Make all your changes and things like that. So all this is going to do is record you, see? And then when you download everything, it'll go on your phone.
All right. Interesting.
What, you going to start a blog?
Not really. I'm interesting. I want to know.
Oh,
Life
okay.
is about learning. I just want to learn.
Absolutely. Yeah. Well, I have a YouTube channel.
I want to have a YouTube channel too because I'm interested on outboard engine. How to make a video when I just. The problem is if I want to zoom the.
Hey, how's it going?
This is for the well, no, we're not live, but I'm recording this as my journey.
Okay.
So this is the journey.
Your journey of life. I'm
That's right.
I'm just happy to be part of it.
Thank you. Got the whole crew back there. We're gonna have an exciting 4 days. Here I am in sunny Florida. Sawgrass, the Marriott. Looks like there's a lot of nice shopping going on around here. AC Hotel, let me show y'all what it looked like. We're over here having a good time, just arrived. Everything's gonna go well. Let's go inside, check it out. Listen, this is a video that I'm making. This will get posted at least 30 days after we do it. Okay? I'm not Instagramming live.
Okay.
All right, I'm in the hotel. No. Come on. The lights are out.
I'll turn it on for you. But
All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Let me give you a enter. Enter. Looks good. Looks good. Nice and fabulous. No mirrors. Nice desk. Little sitting area. Let's see what the view looks like. Great view of the parking lot. Okay, you gotta see this. The guy got his own duck pond. Woo!
Where'd that come from? What's he mad about? Oh no.
Welcome everybody to a special episode of Rolling on 3. I am here in Florida with my friend Sam Nehme, owner of Broward Motorsports, largest motorsports dealer in Southeast Florida. Welcome in. You kill that. All right, go. Same. I want to thank him for welcoming me into his home, and we're gonna have a nice little conversation and talk about all the cool stuff that he has going on. Sam, thank you for letting me come to you.
Thanks for having me.
Thank you. Beautiful. I just want to know what got you into the whole power sports thing.
Well, that didn't work out so good. How did he pull that off?
You guys don't know this, man. All right? 3 years. 3 years we get in. Not yet. So we talked about this wonderful gift you got from BRP. Called you up, said there's something coming for you. Pull up, there's a nice, beautiful spider for you. When BRP sends a gift to my house, the box is usually about this big, so I'm gonna be talking to BRP.
Oh, you don't get like a spider or a Ryker or something?
No, my boxes are very small.
Smaller?
My boxes are very small, but I love them. They're a good company. They treat me well.
I know people. I will hook you up. I'll make a phone call for you. I got you.
You heard it from the man here. You heard it from the man here, but you know, that's it. So, listen, custom wheels.
You need a tear down here.
Custom fenders, LED halos, tinted windshield, all of
handles. Yeah, that's what you did. Custom fenders.
No.
Yeah, that's good. Good. I can talk about what it has. Yeah, that'd be cool.
All right, so I'll say, hey, break it down to me.
Why don't you get as much content as possible?
All right.
And am I kind of blocking it with that camera? Should I slide back a little bit? Or stay where I'm at?
You want to get more to bike? You want to roll?
Here we go.
All right, everybody, I'm here with Sam, and he's going to talk about his custom number 13 Can-Am Spider. Tell me all about the school machine.
Oh, it's cool.
Well, Two Brothers has the best sound.
Yeah.
But full of toys. Full of toys. Nothing but toys in here. You gotta see these toys. You gotta see these toys out here. This is crazy. Crazy.
We were trying to figure out exactly how you get into it.
I don't know.
You rent the helicopter.
His daughter's gotten into